The Pages bar. On NanoTrader 4, you create as many layouts as you wish. It's what we call the pages. Here on this screen, I have already opened 4 charts that I have configured as a grid. And now I'm going to open a quote board and the account bar. I'll just retile as a grid to arrange the charts on the screen. Now my layout is finished and I wish to save it. For this, I go to the Pages Manager and click on Save Page As to give it a new name. Here I'll create it under my page and click on OK to save it. A Pages bar has been set up here at the bottom of your screen on the left-hand side. With this Pages bar, you have different buttons that allow you to go from one layout to the other, your favorite layouts, by simply clicking on the buttons. If the Pages bar isn't visible on your screen, simply go to View and select Pages bar to see it appear on your screen. Again, here on the bottom left-hand side. Some buttons are standard and will always appear. These are the standard button. Standard is a standard layout that has been set up for you by WH Selfinvest. This default layout can't be modified. It will always be available in your files for you to have a quick access to a pre-configured layout. The second button is to open an empty page and set up a new layout. Save Page will allow you to save the page you are currently working on. And the Config button allows you to configure the Pages bar. If I click on it, the Pages bar configuration dialog will appear. On the left-hand side, you have all the available layouts, the ones that you have created and the ones available as standard. To add a button to the Pages bar, simply select the layout and click on the 2 arrows in the middle. On the right-hand side, you have the selected page that are available in the Pages bar. To remove a page, select it and click on the red cross. This will not delete the page, it will simply delete the button from the Pages bar. It is also possible to change the order of your buttons by selecting a page and clicking on the arrows up at the top right hand side. Once finished, click on OK. Now, as you can see, my page has been added to the Pages bar. To go from one layout to another, as said before, simply do a left click on a button to see the page selected appear. To go back, I click on my page and our layout will appear again. Going back to the Page Manager up at the top, let us see all the functions that are offered. First of all, as explained before, if you have modified your page and you wish to save the modifications, click on Save Page. If you wish to save the modifications under a new layout, click on Save Page As to create a new page. The button Empty Page will open, of course, a new page that will allow you to create a new layout. To start with, I can open, for example, a quote board. And from the quote board, by doing a right click on a contract, I can go to Studies and open a new study, a new chart. Using the Accounts button, I can open the account bar to see my positions. So as you can see, it's very easy to create a new layout. In the Pages Manager, it is also possible to define a start page. By clicking on this, you'll have access to all the pages available. For example, if I select my page and click on OK, next time I will open the platform, it is the configuration, my page, which will appear on the screen by default. To delete pages, click on Delete Page. This will give you access to your C drive. Select the page you wish to delete and click on Open. The system will ask for reconfirmation before deleting the page definitely. Load System Default Page will load the same page as when you click on the standard button in the Pages bar. Just to show you, this is the default system page as it was created for you to have quick access to the charts and trading. The Manage Pages option gives you access to this window. Here, by doing a double click on a page, you can give it a new name. Selecting a page, you can delete it by using the red cross at the top. Once finished, click on OK. And another function which is very interesting are the functions import and export pages. First of all, let us go back to a page with a name. Now, by going to export page as so, the system will save the page in a particular file that is indicated here. You can copy this exported page to a USB stick, for example, and transfer it to another computer, either one of your computers, or to transmit it to another trader who would like to use the same layout as you. By exporting this layout, you're exporting not only the layout, but all the studies that it contains. To re-import the layout on another platform, click on Import Pages. This will give you access to the file where the exported pages have been inserted. Simply select the page and click on Open to import it. And finally, in the Pages bar, you also have access to all the layouts that are available on your platform.